Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you about 7 amazing gadgets that make your life happy and easier, so let's start with this amazing video. Number 1. Magic Pencil Portable Lab. Sport bracelets, water detectors, food, soil detectors, and other pieces of equipment are all replaced by the all-in-one laboratory smart magic pencil. A little spectroscopic scanner, that is. Both the sweetness and caffeine content can be measured. When you use it in conjunction with our iOS or Android app, you are communicating directly to the Magic Pencil's collection of analytical skills. It has a tiny built-in spectral sensor, NT000, that can pick up light in the ultraviolet, visible, and near-infrared spectrums, allowing for the detect of additional compounds and the production of results that are comparable to those of expert instruments. Coming to number 2. Halo Rise Sleep Tracker. Wake-up light gradually gets brighter to make you feel awakened in a way that feels natural and mimics the colors of morning, slowly fading to promote sleep and relaxation. Your sleep patterns are monitored by Smart Alarm, which wakes you up when it's most convenient for you. Place the device on your side of the bed to collect data regarding your sleep. Keep the device in its current location for accurate results. Face the device in the direction of your upper body from about an arm's length away, with nothing in the way. Beds work well. Coming to number 3. GoPro Remo Waterproof Voice-Activated Remote. In order to operate the Hero 6 Black, HERO5 Black, and HERO5 Session cameras, Remo is a voice-activated waterproof remote. Either clip it to your clothing or attach a wrist strap to it. With a few easy voice instructions, you can use your GoPro even when it's out of your reach or in a windy or noisy setting. On the remote, there is only one button. Your Hero 6 Black or HERO5 camera can be controlled from up to 33 feet, 10 meters, away. You can take pictures, switch between capture modes, start and stop video recording, and more with simple-to-remember controls. Remo enjoys participating in water sports and can recognize you in a windy, noisy setting. Improve your kayaking, surfing, kiteboarding, and other GoPro adventures. Coming to number 4. Werobot Pino Lamp. When you're reading, the Werobot Pino Lamp will follow you as you move, providing sufficient illumination for the documents you are reading or writing on. Choose the color that you want Pino light to monitor, and that color will be monitored by your light. Wherever you hold a video conference or take a selfie, Pino lamp will intelligently maintain you in the frame and adjust the illumination for smooth transitions. Additionally, it interacts with you by projecting a breathing light effect from the headlight. Having a 0 to 160 degree rotation range to accommodate various usage scenarios, the base of this lamp doubles as a wireless charger, which is both creative and practical. The 6 possible colors are pink, yellow, gray, green, white, and black. Coming to number 5. TeamFree-All-in-one Conference Solution with Dual Stream. Thanks to its integrated 360 degrees omnidirectional microphone, 100 degrees large wide-angle camera, hi-fi level human speech with a range of up to 5 meters, and special dual-stream video technology, TeamFree helps you conduct in-person meetings more quickly and effectively. Additionally, it contains built-in privacy protection technology that encrypts the entire process of sharing information and displays, allowing you to reliably and securely broadcast meetings. The simplicity with which this technology can be used is its best feature. Both teams can quickly turn on or off the video being conveyed by either party during the video conference, and they are free to choose how they want to receive information. TeamFree supports dual-stream live video broadcasts, enabling users to synchronize their movies and have them all play simultaneously. Coming to number 6. Electric Spin Scrubber. The waterproof performance is improved by the updated silicone ring and the mono substance. Direct washing under the faucet is possible. 2 operational speeds for various circumstances. Use 300 revolutions per minute for low speed and 400 revolutions per minute for high speed. The smartphone can be fully charged in 3 hours using the included wall charger and USB-C connector. The length of the additional extension rod for the cleaning brush is entirely adjustable. You can change the length of the cleaning brush by using the extension rod's adjustment lock. The cordless cleaning tool has 7 replaceable, interchangeable brush heads for various purposes. It can be used to clean a variety of surfaces, including floors, wash basins, mirrors, and gas stoves. Coming to number 7. KiiTAG 2 Digital Swiss Knife for Android and iOS. The KiiTAG 2 lets you construct up to 4 functions using the shortcut keys. It is possible to program different shortcuts into each shortcut key, such as pushing button A once for one shortcut, button A twice for another, button B once for a third shortcut, and button B twice for a fourth shortcut. All of your functionality options are available in one place with the KiiTAG 2 app, which is available for free download from Google Play or the iTunes Store. Connect the app's functions to the KiiTAG 2 shortcut keys after installation. Using the 8 GB or 16 GB of memory that are available, you can save and transfer movies, photos, documents, and music between your KiiTAG 2 and computer. So this is all about this video. If you like any product from this video and want to buy product, then the product buy link is in description, and hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.